Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Valorant TPM 2.0 error on Windows without using the BIOS. First, open the Run window by right-clicking the Start button and choosing Run. In the Run box, type gpedit.msc and press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor. On the left side, expand Administrative Templates, then expand Windows Components. Scroll down and expand BitLocker Drive Encryption. After that, click on Operating System Drives. On the right side, find Require Additional Authentication at Startup. Right-click on it and select Edit. In the new window, select Enabled. Once enabled, you will see more options below. Make sure all startup options are allowed, including Startup TPM, Startup Key, and PIN with TPM. After that, click Apply and then click OK. Close the Group Policy Editor. Now open the Run window again. Type temp and press Enter. A folder will open. Select all files and folders inside and delete them. If some files cannot be deleted, just skip them. Open the Run window again and type %temp% and press Enter. Select everything in this folder and delete it as well. Skip any files that are currently in use. Once this is done, close all windows and restart your computer. After the restart, open Valorant and check if the TPM 2.0 error is fixed. Thanks for watching.